welcome to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. Today we have a unboxing. We just got this package in today and I'm super excited to play around with this. So I brought over some soap bars and we're gonna play around. This is a soap planer and beveler. This is actually one that I got off of Amazon. Let me see if I can. And it was Prime, so I got free shipping, and then it was $22.98. And I'll leave that link down below. Now, I ordered, let's see, I ordered August 11th, and today is September 5th. So it's taken almost a whole month to get here, so like 3 weeks. Because, as you can see, it came from China. So, that's alright. I'm really excited to play with this. If I can get it out of the packaging. Got some bubble wrap in there. And this one is made out of acrylic. And when I was kind of doing my research, when I was ordering one, I was told, I ended up going with the acrylic simply because it'll be a little bit easier to clean, and also the soaps will just glide right through it, right across it. So got some more wrap here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. And this one does have a blade. I know that there are some bladeless acrylic planers and bevelers out there. But I had decided to go with this one today. Okay, so I guess this part in here catches all the filings, so it's a little bit easier, so you're not like scrapping from off the table. Let's see. I think it's, yeah. Alright, I think it's ready for use. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is try to plane a soap. Let's see if I can find a good one that shows. Maybe it's got, okay, so this bar is kind of rough in certain spots here. So let's see if it'll clean it up. Looks like it's actually the perfect size as far as the height of my bar. Okay. Ooh. Oh yes. See if the camera will focus here. I definitely like how smooth that is. Okay, so let's look at this side. You can see all the lumps and bumps, all the little ones there. And then on this side, after planing, oh my gosh, yep, I'm excited. Okay, so see if I can, I guess that part's kind of stuck. Okay, I might have to learn how to use this portion of it. But now, I do plan to reuse any of the scraps so we're not wasting soap, but isn't that so neat? So that came off of that bar. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Oh yeah, if you put your hands on both sides of the bar, you can definitely tell which side I just planed. Now, my only complaint is that I'm having to hold the planer and push against it on the other side. Oh, that's awesome! Yes, my soaps have definitely needed to be planed. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm just going to go around to the smaller sides. The edges. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Okay, now the part I am most excited about is the beveling. I'm so sorry about that. Now I'm going to bevel, so there's two settings here. One is bigger than the other, so one's going to take off more of the very edges, the corners, and then one's going to take off less. So I'm going to kind of, should have used a sample bar for this. I'm going to use a sample bar just to kind of see. Just because I want to see the difference. I'm dropping my soap everywhere. Okay, let me go ahead and plane this one. I probably won't be taking the time to bevel these sample soaps, but for the sake of the video, I will now. Okay, so that cleaned it up very nicely. And I have mica on the top of this, so that's why. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that in there. Oh wow. Okay, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so on this side, this was the larger setting. That's really cool. Okay, so on the other side, I'm going to do the smaller beveling setting. Okay, wow. Okay, so there's the smaller. That's the smaller setting, and then that's the bigger setting. That's so neat. I love that. So I'm probably going to go with the smallest setting just because this is the beveling portion of this. It's just for looks of the bar of soap, and I don't want to feel like I'm wasting so much soap, so I'm not going to cut off the biggest amount. So let's do a full-size bar like this and see what it does. I am so pleased with this. Yes! And then the other side. Oh yeah, my soaps that have the micas on top, I am definitely going to have to clean this. It is going to get a little bit messy. Okay. Wow. I am impressed. Okay. So here's that one, little edge there. I guess I didn't do, I wonder if I should leave, I'm wondering if I should just leave these sides here or bevel those two. I kind of feel like I want to bevel those. And Interesting. So I guess I applied a different pressure, so that's why the beveling isn't quite even there. But overall, I really like the look of my artisan soaps better when they're beveled. I think that just makes them so pretty. That's awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to do, let's see, there we go. I got all of those shavings out at one time. That's awesome. So neat. And that one smells amazing. That green one is Watercress and Aloe. Oh, I love that smell. Okay, I guess I should have grabbed a wet paper towel, but it's okay. Alright, so here's a sample bar of my Santa's buckle that I haven't released yet, and my sample bars I wouldn't normally like go ahead and do like the extra embellishments on it, but I did for this one because I knew I would be doing this video, so I just want to see what this one is going to look like. Oh yeah, that is so neat. Being careful with my top here. Don't want to mess up the top of my soap. This is so neat. I like that look for sure. Did I do? Yeah, I did. Yeah, so there it is. So again, guys, I'll leave the Amazon link below in the description box. And like I said, it did take like 3 weeks to get to Florida. If you were in the northern states, it probably would reach you faster than that. Probably more like 2.5 weeks, just because when things import from China, for me at least, they import like in the either New Jersey, Pennsylvania type areas. So I'll leave that link below. And if you guys would like to see more supply unboxings or hauls from me, just let me know in the comments or like this video. If you would like to see some of my other soap making videos, go ahead and subscribe. And then if you hit the bell, you will get notification when I upload more videos. So this soap here will be released in October, as well as Santa's buckle, so you won't see these until October. I think it's October 11th, the second Friday of October is when those will be released, and I'll also link my website down below. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.